If you need to cancel a pending transfer with the Union National Bank Egypt, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Union National Bank Egypt online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. It should be listed under pending transactions. Click on it to view the details. Step 4. Select the cancel option. After reviewing the details of the pending transfer, look for an option to cancel or delete the transaction. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Review any warnings or information provided, then confirm the cancellation to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that the pending transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.